So here's the first question. And this is how I would do it. Now watch exactly how I lay it out. Calculate the number of moles of each of the following substance. Give your answer to 3 sig figs. Not really bothered about that. I want to get the mole calculation first. I've got 90 grams of water. First thing you write out, moles equals mass over mR. Mass is always in grams. I'm happy the mass is in grams. Moles equals, now I'm going to change mass. They've given me mass, we'll change to 90 over mR. I don't know what mR is. This is the mR of water. So I'm going to slide across and I'm going to go mR of water equals 1 hydrogen, add another hydrogen, add an oxygen. Check the periodic table. 1 plus 1 plus 16. The mR equals 18. I now know what the mR is. So I'm going to go back. My last step, moles equals 90 over 18. The answer is 5. Okay, that's how you need to lay it out. That's all the working out for the first question.